LARDIS 1, the radio control system with a route guidance system for fire and rescue services, ambulance, and police services. The Volunteer Fire Brigade Markt Bad Abbach near Regensberg uses LARDIS 1 in its fleet. The radio control system can be used with all common digital radios.
LARDIS 1 makes our radio communication much easier. The route guidance saves us a lot of time and unnecessary stress, especially in unfamiliar areas.
LARDIS 1 uses professional fleet navigation hardware, which is directly connected to the radio. The LARDIS 1 software combines navigation with radio operation in its user interface. The interface layout can be easily configured to suit the user. The labeling under the status numbers or symbols can also be individually set. A radio display, similar to those on handheld and mobile radios, is integrated alongside the status buttons.
LARDIS 1 also displays the speaker's call sign.
Control from Bad Abbach. We are now mobile and available with crew of 5. Over.
A single button allows the user to switch from the radio display to the navigation view easily.
LARDIS 1 incorporates a professional set of maps and route guidance. The navigation screen continues to display the current status and primary radio interface. Tapping on the radio display switches back to the radio screen.
The installation of LARDIS 1 is quite simple. The device is plugged into the radio and directly connected to the battery, and that's all there is to it. LARDIS 1's route guidance system is very helpful for us. When a call comes in, we receive the destination coordinates from fire control directly onto the navigation system.
LARDIS 1 receives the call and displays the incident's location on the map. The routing system finds the best route, and you're ready to go. For more information about LARDIS 1, please visit the website.